Welcome to Kevin's English Room Podcast. All right.
Yeah.
The applause that if you're watching YouTube, you can't hear this.
Oh.
It's only on the podcast shows.
Yeah. Please check.
Because it's connected.
Right.
Yeah. How do we have this much of a big system and not connected to the iPhone, right? I still can't believe it.
Yeah. True. If you guys know the way, to change the volume of sending this mix machine to the iPhone.
Yeah. I mean, we can send audio, but we can't control the volume that it goes into the iPhone.
Yeah.
Right?
Isn't that...
Yeah, why can't you do that? Why can't you do that? It's not that rare.
Who's that? Who's that guy? Who's that guy?
The Kevin, the audio engineer.
Oh. But I'm kind of heard of you.
You've heard of me before?
Yeah, I remember that.
Why? It's so simple. Why can't you control the audio?
Have I met you before?
I think we have.
Anyways, see, on the podcast, like the real podcast, the audio quality is much better than that.
Oh yeah.
So
100%.
yeah, please go and we're doing podcast mainly.
Yeah,
and that's just
this is a podcast show.
So the camera catching us. So
Exactly. This is similar to a documentary. Yeah.
Yeah. I got that.
You got my point, right?
Yeah.
It's not edited.
Yeah.
Right. So.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good documentary.
Yeah,
it's a good memories.
Yeah.
Yeah, like once a week we capture that, and like every weekend.
That's true.
Yeah,
it's true. I feel like we can do a compilation of like how well your English has gotten with this amount of like content out there.
Yeah, like 2 weeks of every day.
Exactly.
Not every day, but
yeah.
English conversation.
Like I feel like you made progress. Like we get DMs of like your English has gotten better.
True.
Right?
At the beginning I was terrible. I don't want to.
It wasn't terrible, but like now I think you're more fluent. I feel.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah. Well, that's a good.
Right.
Yeah. Right. So, ケリーさん、山さん、ケビンさん、こんにちは。
Oh, that's a new one. That's a new one right
こ
there.
んにちは、ナーコです。今日6月13日で KR ポッドキャストが2周年ですね。おめでとうございます。
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's like today's the 20th. So 1 week. It's been a week after our second anniversary.
All right.
That's great. Wow.
That's great.
Wow, it's fantastic. Oh yeah, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
All right.
私のメッセージも何度か読んでいただきありがとうございます。私のお気に入りのエピソードの保存は160を超えまして、何度もお気に入りの回を聞いています。
Wow, thank you.
今日も特に何もなくいつも通りの放送ありがとうございました。It's on the day,
On the day.
今日も特に何もなくいつも通りの放送ありがとうございました。
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. We'll probably forget tomorrow that wait, when was our anniversary?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow, we should celebrate that.
Yeah.
さて、今日は2周年とは全く関係ないのですが、ドラム式洗濯機でケビンさんのお洋服が縮んでしまう大問題について。
No.
That's for you.
Does she have a solution?
I guess so. うちもドラム式洗濯機なのですが、ケビンさんは洗濯から乾燥まで一度にやっていますね。
Yes.
すごく便利なのですが、そのやり方は多少縮んでも構わない 例えば下着のパンツやシャツ、タオルなどの時だけにしてはいかがでしょうか。
Okay.
タオルやジーンズ、ニットなどのおしゃれ着を除いて一緒に洗濯しても構いませんが、洗濯のみのコースを選び、終了後に一度電源を切ります。縮ませたくないものを取り出して脱衣所などの突っ張り棒にハンガーで部屋干しをします。で、多少縮んでも問題ないものだけを残して乾燥のみのコースをスタート。
I understood the procedure. Okay.
タオルオンリーの洗濯でも洗濯のみのコース終了後一度電源を切り、ドラム内にへばりついたタオルをほぐして乾燥のみのコースでスタートすればよりふわふわに仕上がります。多少面倒ですがお洋服を縮ませないためですので一度お試しください。ドラム式洗濯機は便利なようで、乾燥フィルターやパッキンの内側のホコリの掃除をこまめにやらないと乾燥の時間がすごく長くなって電気代も高くなります。ネイビーや黒の T シャツも色あせてしまうので部屋干ししましょう。私は洗濯から乾燥まで一度にすることはめったにありません。
No, I can't. I'm sorry, but I can't do that.
What you can?
Because the only reason why I bought a drumstick sentaki is because I did not want to spend time hangering all my clothes and putting them outside or like in the bathtub, right? And aligning them so that the air can breathe, and that all that hassle of like,
Yep.
I just can't. I'm trying my best to not get pissed.
Yeah.
I just can't. The memory.
You are a big boy.
I am a big boy.
Yeah.
I'm a grown ass man.
Yeah.
I'm a grown ass man holding in my anger.
We are recording this podcast.
I am grown ass man.
Yes.
Yes.
You
I
are.
am controlling.
Yes, you are.
My
You are doing
goddamn
really good
anger.
job. Yep.
Right. The only reason why I bought.
Yep.
The only reason.
The sound.
No, that's my shit. That's my shit. That's my shit. The only. I can't. I just can't. I see. If I start doing that, then it's like, why don't you just? If someone tells me, like, why'd you buy that? You could have done that with the old washing machine.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a comeback.
Yeah.
I can't say anything. I'm like, you're right. I've wasted my money. I've completely wasted my money. Yes, you have a point. That's the only thing I got to say, right? So I can't do that. I can't go back.
But you can, wash and dry at the same time, at least for the towels.
Exactly, right.
Pants,
Pants,
underwears,
socks, underwears, like pajamas, right?
And bras if you have.
Bras if I have, yes, I understand.
Yeah, so at least.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right. No. No, man. No.
Oh, really?
Underwears are one of the easiest ones to hang, right?
Sure.
It's the t-shirts and the jeans and the shirt.
Yeah.
That's a hassle.
Yeah.
Those are the pain in the ass drying ones.
Okay.
See, I bought my drumstick sentaki.
Yeah.
Drumstick sentaki.
Yeah.
So that I don't have to do all that pain in the ass shit work.
Oh, yeah.
I can't. Sorry, but I can't. I appreciate the recommendation, but I can't. But you know what I'm doing? I am doing something similar to that.
Oh.
I look at the label, and if it says no kansoki, I just put it aside.
Yeah.
Right, and I just compile all the kansoki okay ones, just dump it in.
Yeah.
After that, when the no kansoki is piled up, I put it in, and I do all the hand hanging ones. Yeah. That's kind of similar to what she's suggesting, right? So the idea is similar, just that I can't give up on the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the reason why you bought that machine.
Yes. Because if the clothes said that it's not compatible, it's fair, right?
Wow.
It's fair.
What do you mean fair? What do you mean fair?
If it says it's fair, right? Because
Yeah.
because if I just give up on all my t-shirts and
Yeah.
jeans,
Yeah.
right? That's just stepping back.
Stepping back.
That you're just giving the Sentaki a win. I can't do that.
What do you mean, win? You
I
lost.
can't do that. Yeah, I lost.
What do you mean lost?
I lost the clothing industry, the washing industry, right? I can't let them do that.
And you got shrink station and you lost? That you mean you win?
Well, yeah, the purchase. I lost the purchase would be more accurate, I guess.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But if the clothes says that you can't
Yeah.
dry, you can't kansoki it, that's fair, right? That's fair.
That's funny.
That's like
Yeah.
no one can do it. No one can put that in the kansoki, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's fair. So it's not the Sentaki's fault. It's not my fault.
Mm-hmm.
It's just how it is. That's the rule. That says it
Yeah.
when I bought it, so it's
Okay.
fair, right?
So you're not the one who lost.
I didn't lose. I didn't
Okay.
lose.
And
The Sentaki didn't lose. No one won. It's just plain fair.
I understand that.
You don't get it, man. You don't get my feeling, man.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah. Look. Listen.
Okay. I'm listening to you.
If I just stopped kansokiing all
Yeah.
my T-shirts, even the ones that are compatible,
Yeah.
then why the fuck did I buy a kansoki Tsuki Sentaki, right?
That's
That's
Sure.
you understand, right? You're with me.
I understand. Yeah.
You're with me.
Yep.
Same level,
Yep.
same page.
Yes.
Okay.
We are.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And so I don't want to do that. I lose. Do you understand? I lose.
Yeah.
I
understand
lose
that.
because I'm not using what I bought.
You pay for that and you.
I paid for it and I'm not fully
Yeah.
utilizing
You
it.
lost your money.
I lost.
Yeah.
The Sentaki won.
I don't understand that. Okay.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
so I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna just blindly not kansoki all the T-shirts.
Yeah.
However, if I look into the tags, and the tag said that it's not compatible,
Yeah.
you see how that's fair? Like this guy, this
Yeah.
T-shirt is not meant to go in there from the get.
Yeah.
Like he's not gonna play the game. He's not in the field. So there is no am I gonna put it in or am I gonna not put it in?
Yeah.
It's not a conversation of am I gonna win or is it that he's not in the game. He's not playing the game.
Okay.
He's just watching from the bench.
Okay.
He's in the kankaku, right?
Okay.
He's at home.
Okay.
He's watching Netflix right now.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Okay.
You get me now?
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah. There you go. Yeah, that's where it came from. Yeah.
Understand that.
Right.
So you don't want to let Sentaki win.
Yeah, I can't. I can't. I can't let him win.
Okay.
Yeah.
He tried to beat you.
Yeah, he's trying to beat me with all he's got. Shrinking my clothes, trying to regret my purchase.
Oh, that's funny.
I haven't put the towel in yet.
Yeah.
And I'm still fighting.
Okay. You put the towel into Sentaki, but
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Okay.
I am putting my towels in the
Laundry machine,
the laundry machine, but it's not in the ring yet.
Okay.
Right? It's
Yeah.
that's a good one. Yeah. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening, guys. All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.